We're going to now tie the improved clinch knot. I'm going to take the line, pass it through the eye of my fly, and just like the clinch knot, I'm going to wrap the tag end around the standing end 5 turns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, when you did that, you created this loop down at the bottom. We're going to pass the tag end through that loop and then back through this loop here that you just created. Like this. Now, the secret to tightening the clinch knot is to never pull the small end. We're going to hold the hook and we're going to pull the long end. So don't be afraid to trim this quite close. It won't hurt a thing. That's the improved clinch knot. Now this time we're going to do the improved clinch knot with monofilament as opposed to the other line. Pass the leader through the eye of the hook. Now we'll make our turns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 turns. Now we're going to take the tag end and pass it through the hole that we formed. Now remember, because this is the improved clinch knot, we're going to take that tag and pass it back through this hole that we just created. So the knot is formed. Now remember, the 2 important things we have to always remember when we tighten any knot with monofilament is to moisten it, number 1, and with the clinch knot we'll always pull the long end, not the short end. That way it won't come undone. Now there's a properly formed, improved clinch knot. And here again, don't be afraid to cut this, to trim it very, very close. If it's tied right, it will not come undone.